Lugging your things up and down the stairs is a real hassle, and too much weight can hurt you. Well, not anymore. Now there's Climb Cart, the new and innovative folding cart that climbs stairs with you. So instead of lifting, you simply roll the Climb Cart upstairs with little effort. It's that easy. Now you have the freedom to move anything, anytime. And its cast aluminum construction easily handles oversized jobs up to 100 pounds. The secret is in our unique 6-wheel design, which pivots when it touches a stair, then sends up 2 new wheels to drastically reduce effort going up and down stairs. So now you'll finally get a break hauling that laundry upstairs or get boxes and documents around the city. Whether you're going upstairs or down, the Climb Cart gets you around town. We placed 60 pounds of weight on this 2-wheeled handcart, but lifting it over stairs was 90 pounds. Impossible! But Climb Cart's 6-wheel design creates a lever and made this exact same load 25 pounds lighter. Or add our jumbo-sized carry bag. Now bringing multiple heavy bags of groceries into the house is simple, and its all-terrain wheels glide through grass with ease, smoothly over brick and up the stairs. Then the lightweight, sturdy frame folds flat and stores anywhere. So stop the lugging and tugging on your back and enjoy the freedom of climbing stairs easily and safely with the Climb Cart. Similar products are sold for over $100, but you won't pay that. As part of this special TV offer, you'll get the Climb Cart and free carry bag for the low price of only $39.99. But hold everything. If you order right now, we'll ship it to you free. Plus, all of today's orders come with our 10-year guarantee absolutely free. But you must call or log on now.